Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to install an exterior door. Now, your door kits that you can buy come with a split jamb for that will go in here. And what this split jamb will have this brick mold that's on the outside that'll be on one side of the jamb, and then the interior jamb will actually have your interior molding already attached to a frame. And essentially what that frame does is your frame has a slot where the inside comes in and connects on the inside. So it looks like that, so that when you nail through, you put your exterior piece in, you put your interior piece in, you push them together, and then you screw through those into the wall, and it gives you a very secure door. Now what we do is the brick mold side will be the side that will go on last. So when we're setting this door, we're going to set the door in with the interior frame and we'll slide it into place. And now this is dependent on what the rough opening is. And the rough opening is actually between the brick here, which would be 52 inches for this unit by, 84 inches. So with that rough opening, we'd have a door that would accommodate that rough opening. And what you would have is you'd actually have this frame in here, which there's going to be some gap on this side between the actual stud and the frame of the door. And there'll be a gap here, and there'll be gaps along the top. Now when we set the door in, the first thing we're going to do is we have the threshold down here at the bottom. So it's usually a metal plate, either a silver or a brass type of finish on it. And one thing we want to check, we want to put a level on there and make sure that's level. Once we get that level, and we need to do any shimming that we need to get that level, then the next thing we've got to do is we've got to check for plumb on these sides. So we will add shims in on each side to fill that space in and to make sure that these are plumb. Then the next thing we want to do is we want to check for square up in the corners, and then we make any adjustments as far as moving the frames up or down, shimming them up or down, or shimming them in and out. Now what we want to do after we shim everything out is we want to be able to look at the door on the interior, and we want to have an equal gap all the way around the door. When you got that equal gap, then you know you've got your frame installed correctly. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's an explanation of how to install an exterior door.